Alright, chickens haven't laid for about a week and a half, and the weather hasn't been that different, so it's not weather related because they've been laying really well this winter. And thinking it's the food, maybe change their food, but I don't know, we'll see what we get today. Thought it was maybe their water, but there's a tank there, and the tank's like, you know, you got like 15 gallons in there. So I don't know how it could be water, but food, I changed the brand of food, and thinking maybe it's the food change, but I talked to someone and they're like, no, food, it's probably not food. I feed them scraps, so they're still getting some good quality food. So I think I'm gonna check, see what's going on, if their water's out. Hey, little chickens. How you doing? Right. Okay, there's water. Ow, hey! There's water there today. Let's go check the food. Alright. See if we got any eggs in here, actually. Nothing. Totally empty. Nothing, 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 nothing. So weird. Alright. Well, I thought it had to be one of the two. I mean, it is a little warmer today, so maybe it was frozen. The chickens are eating snow. Maybe they're just really thirsty, and it's like those little nipples on this pipe are not working super well. And they're using them. We're gonna go get a bucket. Fill up a bucket full of water, dump it in there, and see if they go crazy over it. And they're lining up. They seem to love it, but they just like new things anyway, so I don't know. Not really solving the mystery here. Alright, I'm gonna go check on the chickens today. See if their water is warm now. Oh, look at them. They're all out and about waiting for me. Excuse me. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, let's check their water. See if this is... Yeah, now it's warm. Okay. So now we know what the issue was. It was not. There's water coming out, good. Water in there, the water is fine. Because the issue was, this little sensor right here was too close to our heat light, and so it wasn't turning on the coil to heat up our water. Now it's nice and warm. There we go. So I got a 1, 2, 3, fourth one back here that they use. The solution, do not keep this, and because it was sort of inside here, like underneath the heat lamp, and it was not getting cold enough to turn this on. So now we're working here. Let's see if they got any eggs, because you know, maybe the newfound freedom will it's good for them to lay. And no eggs. Yeah, no eggs. Oh well. Alright, first mystery solved. Alright, we're gonna check on the egg production today. No eggs there. Lift up the big one. Oh, I stepped on a chicken. Alright, so I have 2 eggs. No eggs, no eggs, no eggs. Alright, so we got 2 eggs today. Off to get new feed. So this particular feed actually looks like seeds, and there's lentils in here. Looks like maybe some peas, some wheat. But this is not the exact mix I wanted, but it actually looks like a healthier than what I'm getting from the other store. So it's not really any more expensive. I mean, it's maybe $1 more for a 50-pound bag, maybe $3 more than the cheap stuff you can buy. But the protein level on this is a little lower. I don't know what it is actually. It's lower than the kind I normally get because they were out today. So he suggested adding sunflower seeds to it and to boost up the protein level. So I'm gonna test this out. I'll let you know the result. Alright, nothing in there, nothing in there, nothing in there, nothing in there. Oh, we have 5 in here. So it appears that the new feed, or I guess actually the old feed I was originally using, has helped. So we'll check back tomorrow and see if they keep playing like this. Another egg. She got 1. I got another 3 eggs in here. Yeah, another 5. It's pretty good. Got another 8 inches of snow. Let's see how the ladies are doing. Oh, oh. What we got here? Eggs, eggs, and more eggs. Nice. Any eggs in here, ladies? Eggs in there. Oh, they got that egg there. I'll have to add this up. Alright, this is the good stuff. Take a look. I think this feed's gonna help them even more than the previous one. It's 17% crude protein. Stuff looks like real edible material. Looks like food. Looks like I could almost piece through that and find something to eat out of there. Let's take a look how the ladies are doing. Some eggs in here. What's in there? Count them up. There we go. Whoa, check that out. Whoa. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 eggs in a day. In a day of switching their feed. Holy cow. All right, I just verified that I picked the eggs yesterday. And so all these eggs are from, how do I hold this thing open? I didn't really plan this thing out. All these eggs are from yesterday and today, I guess. So it's been 1 day since I collected eggs. 23 eggs. This is crazy. I mean, I had a theory that this was what was going on, that it was their feed, but I had no idea that it was this extreme. So a couple of these eggs are dirty, and so maybe they were under one of the chickens that was there, but there's 23 in the basket in a day. So maybe there was only really 20. So they laid 20 eggs last night when they changed their feed to 17% crude protein. So that is a crazy, crazy, crazy jump. Wow. Oh, I thought you were going to come out with a snowball. So anyways, their feed, changing their feed, solved everything. So it wasn't the water. It wasn't stress of not having water for a couple days. It was like just the feed. I know this from 1 day. So check the feed. They're not laying super well. Over and out.